Welcome to the Zmanda Pro tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through how to back up and restore Proxmox virtual environments using Zmanda Pro. Zmanda Pro provides a powerful, easy-to-manage solution for protecting your virtual machines, ensuring your data is secure, recoverable, and always available when you need it. Let's get started. To begin setting up Proxmox backup, log into the Zmanda Pro Management Console and navigate to the Protected Items tab. To create a new backup configuration, click on Add Protected Item and select the device you want to protect from the available list. You'll then see a list of backup types that can be configured using Zmanda Pro. Select Proxmox to begin setting up a Proxmox backup. Next, navigate to the Authentication section and enter your Proxmox server credentials. Once you've entered the details, click on Test Connection to verify the credentials, and after confirming that the connection is successful, click Next to proceed. In the next step, select the virtual machines or containers you want to back up. You can choose to protect all virtual machines within a cluster, select a specific node, or pick individual virtual machines based on your requirements. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to configure the advanced backup settings. Under Isolation, choose how the virtual machines should be handled during the backup process. The default option is Snapshot mode, which is the fastest and most commonly used method, provided the underlying storage supports snapshots. After configuring these options, click Next to continue. In the next step, you can optionally configure any pre- or post-backup commands in the Commands section. If no changes are required, click Next to continue. In the Schedule section, click on the plus icon to create a new backup schedule. Configure the schedule as required, and then click Save. Proceed by clicking Next. In the Retention section, you'll see the available storage vaults along with their associated policies. If everything looks correct, click Save to complete the setup. Your protected item is now created. Backups will run automatically on your configured schedule. If you'd like to trigger a backup on a need basis, click on Run Backup next to the Proxmox protected item. In the Backup configuration window, review the selected protected item and choose the desired storage vault, and then click on Backup. This completes the Proxmox backup configuration in Zmanda Pro. Your environment is now protected, and backups can be run and monitored directly from the console. Next, we'll walk you through how to restore Proxmox backup using Zmanda Pro. Navigate to the Devices tab in the Management Console and locate the device you want to restore to. Click Actions next to it and then select Restore. Select the desired storage vault from which you want to restore the backup and click on Next to continue. Then, choose the required protected item from the available list. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. Zmanda Pro allows you to restore data in different ways, depending on your requirements. In this demo, we'll restore the snapshot directly into Proxmox by selecting Restore to Proxmox. Once selected, click Next to continue. Choose the virtual machine you want to restore and click Next to proceed. Enter the credentials of the Proxmox cluster you would like the virtual machine to be restored to, select the destination node and storage, and then click on Restore. You'll be redirected back to the console, where a confirmation message will indicate that the restore task has been successfully started. To check the status of a backup or restore job, you can view it in the Job Logs tab at any point of time. This completes the Proxmox restore process in Zmanda Pro.